pulling up to Mount Lake Campground in Awaji Jima. We have been traveling for, I don't know, 3.5 or so hours. I see the sign finally. Okay, here we are. Let's go check in first at the little cabin. Alright. Well, here we are, Mount Lake. Alright, well, here's the famous Mount Lake on Awaji Island, Awaji Jima. There it is. Alright, here's the bridge that goes to Kobe City from Awaji Island. It is a huge bridge, one of the largest in Japan. And that's it, we are cruising over it. Well, there's a famous Lake Biwa, Biwako. We're going to be camping on it tonight. So we are now officially on mainland Japan, as it's called. We are in Shiga Prefecture. Man, everybody's house is so old and cool in here. I'm on the north side of Lake Biwa, Biwako. This is like really 150-year-old style Shosugiban. They burn the sugi wood and it makes it waterproof and repel all the bugs. So that's it. There's the lake. Alright, well, we made it to this campsite on northern Biwako. Go check in and get set up for the evening. Alright guys, let's get a fire going here. Y'all know how I like to do it. Got my striker. Got some burlap in there, some twigs. Let's go ahead and get it going. Just like that. We got a fire. Doesn't take much. So those boats you see way out there in the distance, Biwako is famous for Japan's Bassmasters Classic, which is the same fishing tournament they have in the United States. And this lake has some of the most world record bass that's been caught. 20 pounds, I think up to 22 or 3 pounds. It's not the absolute world record, but it's close. But bass out of here between 10 to 20 pounds, which is unheard of, you know, almost anywhere. That is normal out of this lake, and it draws anglers from around the world. And right down the valley, right there, right down that way to the right is the main boat. It's like a storage area for all the bass boats, that when these famous anglers come here for these tournaments throughout the year, they can rent these boats. And they're also, you know, they can go on guided tours and whatnot and have guided fishing, but with Japanese owners. This is some great Shiga Prefecture beef. Local, this is going to be amazing. You can just tell it's super soft. Alright guys, dinner is served. Shiga Prefecture Wagyu beef, some rice cooked with a sausage gravy in the water, and a regular salad. Here we are, nice warm fire overlooking Lake Biwa. Absolutely beautiful view on the side of the mountain here, and it just doesn't get any better than this. Nice cool temperatures, and we're about to eat this epic meal. This is great. Nothing like the outdoors. There's a macaque right there. Japanese macaques. There's another one right there. Japanese macaques are pretty amazing animals. And there's a lot of them in here. Alright, well, we're just waking up in the van, and then look, there's a deer right there. The sun's not even up. It's like 4:50 in the morning. That's cool.